Here's how to make a mini flower pot from bottle caps. Let's get started. First, prepare 2 bottle caps. Apply double-sided tape to the caps. Then stick them together. Once that's done, grab a channel stem. Measure a suitable length. We'll attach it around the top edge. Leave a small tail at the end. Hook it onto the bottle cap, like this. Do the same on the other side. Keep repeating the process until the entire edge is covered. Once finished, fill the inside. Use clay to fill the pot. If you don't have clay, tissue paper works too. Next, let's make the base of the flower pot. Roll a channel stem into a spiral, like a mosquito coil. When it reaches the right size, check it against the pot. Then trim off the excess. Apply glue to secure it. Once the glue dries, attach the base. It should look like this. Now let's make the top section. Again, use tissue paper or another filler. After filling it, we'll create the green top layer. Take a green channel stem. Leave a small hole in the center. This is where the flowers will be inserted later. Then roll it up. Once it's the right size, trim off the excess. Apply glue and let it dry. Then attach it to the top of the pot. And your mini flower pot is finished. Now prepare 3 channel stems. We'll make a super simple sunflower. Take the yellow channel stem. Measure about 2 finger joints in length. Repeat this several times. Twist twice to secure it. Make each petal the same way. Once they're secured, bring this small tail to the back of the petal cluster. Cross it over and twist tightly. After securing it, trim off the excess. Next, make the flower center. Roll a channel stem into a small circle. Then trim away the excess. Glue it in place. Now the flower head is finished. Next, let's make the leaves. Take a green channel stem and fold it in half. Then bend it like this. Shape it into a small teardrop leaf and secure it. Then move lower down. Wrap the stem about 2 cm lower. Make another leaf. Repeat on the opposite side. When finished, bend this section downward. Then twist it twice. Once secured, trim off the excess. Just like this. The stem and leaves are now finished. Now attach them to the flower. Apply glue to the back of the flower. Then attach the stem. Once attached, the flower is complete. Simply place it into the pot. Look at that, your tiny flower is finished. Pretty simple, right?